How to create rules to forward all emails in Outlook. Okay, if you want to forward your all emails which you receive, uh, if you want to forward it all, if you want to forward all emails to the specific another email account, so you can do this easily. I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. So let's start with the video. So first, open your Outlook here, and you can say I'm on the Outlook. Okay, so just in order to create rules, go to the files and jump into manage rules and alerts, and here you can see your all rules. And if you're using more than one email ID or mailbox, you can see here your all email here. So just select the email that you want to apply these rules. I use this email. Now just create the new rules and just click on next, and this is by default clicked. Just untick, don't click anything here, and now you have to just click on next. Now one pop-up will become, it says that this rule will be applied to the every message you receive in this, correct? Yes, because we want to apply for all message. Just click on yes. Now here you have to select the email ID or another email ID where you want to forward the email from this Outlook. So just click on it. Okay, I don't want to move to specific folder. I want to forward to the specific group. Okay, so just click on forward and just click on specific email here, and you can switch your contacts from here, or you can add contacts. Just select it and go to the add. You can also add manually. You can add like this. Okay, you can add more. Enter the semicolon and enter the another email ID. If you want to forward to the both, I just skipped one only. Just click OK. Now the this apply this rule after message arrives. Okay, so forward to this email ID and stop processing more rules. Okay, now just click on next. If you want to use any exceptions, you can use it. Now just click on next, and here you can see, if you want to apply these rules to the existing mail from in your inbox, you can apply it. Now just click on finish. After finish, the rules will be create. Okay, rules will be created here, and you can just apply and okay. Okay, so I don't want to apply these rules because my all mailbox email will be forwarded to this email. So I just untick it and just click on finish. The email, the rule has been created. Now just click on apply or just click on OK. So I just delete for now. I don't want to apply these rules. Okay, so that is how you can forward your all emails to the another account. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.